There's a 140,000 square foot facility located in Cottage Grove, Minnesota that employs almost 150 people. The corporation American Business Group has several entities in this company that operate out of this facility.
Within American Business Group, we have three major entities. One's called American Ag Co., which is a commodities brokerage or trading department. One's called American Distribution and Manufacturing Company, which is a wholesale distribution company. And then we have American Logistics Services, which is a supply chain management company. The three companies work a lot together to service our customer base.
Back in 2002, their expanding business was looking for a location to help them grow.
We had the contractor that we knew that had done some work for us came in and said, "I've got a deal for you in Cottage Grove." They're looking to bring businesses in. And from the time he suggested that to us to the time we broke ground here was less than 5 months. The second building we put up was in 2006. And now we're getting close to stretching that one, so hopefully maybe the third parcel of land will be open here pretty soon.
Across the U.S., they have 7 different facilities, with the largest being in Cottage Grove, where the American Distribution and Manufacturing Company distributes a variety of items.
We have pet food and pet products, which is the biggest category that we have as a distributor. We carry all of the major pet food brands. We carry supplements, hard goods, basically anything you would need for pets, we carry. We have wild bird and wildlife products, hobby farm products, and then we have convenience store products.
We deliver on a weekly dedicated basis. So order gets put in today, which will be delivered tomorrow. As customer service puts in their order, gets released to the warehouse to get picked. And we basically pick 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. The afternoon then we typically load the trucks so the drivers can get on their way. The receiving crew comes in to start receiving trucks in and then replenish what we've picked throughout the day.
One of our large accounts is Cargill, who we do a lot of salt that's sold through the convenience store. If you go to a Quick Trip or Holiday or whatever, a lot of the salt that's at the pumps, we warehouse and we deliver that.
ABG also has interior design and marketing experts to help stores get started and grow.
So we do anything from marketing services to sales services to floor plan layout of stores.
And they service retailers from the big box stores to the smaller family-run operations.
Chuck and Don's, we're one of their largest suppliers. We've been doing business with them for, I want to say, over 25 years now. We sit down a couple times a year with them and say, okay, what do you see coming in the future? What are you looking for us to do? Are there some new product lines you want to carry that we might not offer so we can go get those? There's a lot of interactivity. In fact, they hold their management meetings in our facilities because we've got big enough conference rooms to accommodate it. Then when you get to the logistics company, we do anything from, we're an independent trucking company, but we also do our own trucking for our own product. We are a third-party warehousing company that does warehousing for other entities. And then we also do freight brokerage, where we'll broker freight for other trucking companies, other warehouses, so on and so forth.
Back in 1936, John's grandfather started the company, which back then was called South St. Paul Feed and Oil Company.
The whole business was built off of a lot of the bull haulers would bring livestock into the stockyards. And then they would head back to the towns empty, while my grandfather set up a business where he'd offload products off of the railroad cars at a discount. He'd warehouse it down in South St. Paul, and the bull haulers would drop off the livestock, pick up the products, and haul it back to the farm. My grandfather started it. My father and uncle were the second generation, and my sister and I have bought them out. Now my children and my sister's children work here. So we're at the fourth generation. We want to try to keep it that way.
Family-owned business, coming to work just to work hard, do a good job. And we're always looking for good employees. Drivers, warehouse employees. A solid company, takes care of its people, does the job, does it right.
We want people to have fun. And we try to do that with our customer base. We try to do that with our employees. If you enjoy what you're doing, you're going to be better at it.